Alabama is known for its charming people, its beautiful countryside, and its relaxed way of life. And all of that's embodied here at 2080 Bell Road, a timeless example of Southern architecture. I'm Justin Moody with Partners Realty. Let's take a look inside. When you come inside this grand foyer, you're immediately impressed by the scale of this spectacular home. Hand-painted murals, handcrafted iron balusters. As a matter of fact, everything in this home is handcrafted. And the foyer connects to all of the formal spaces of the home. And the living room of any Southern home is a primary gathering place for friends, family, and even the occasional foe. And so, this space had to be generously proportioned. But it's the details that really set this place apart. Custom wall murals, handcrafted radius French doors. And speaking of customs, in the South, we like to make sure our guests are well fed. Come and follow me. In Alabama, the dining hall is an important place. Food is how we greet people, we comfort people, we heal people. So the table is oversized and seats up to 24. This room includes all of the custom features, locally sourced white oak flooring, imported European fireplaces, crystal chandeliers, and space galore. In the family den, this is where the fun happens. There's a wet bar, vaulted ceilings, and hand-laid herringbone brick floors that echo the brick front drive. Alabama's home to a great many sportsmen, and the owner of this home's no different. And here we can see some of his trophies. But ultimately, this space is for the family to unwind at the end of the day and enjoy one another. So here we are in the master. In keeping with the rest of the home, the proportions of the master are palatial. The vaulted ceiling height in the master is a soaring 24 feet. The furnishings here are sumptuous and of the highest quality. With a towering 4-post bed, a chase lounge, marble table, and massive mirrors, this space is a true oasis. Off the master, there's a private study lined with mahogany, a fireplace, leather furniture, and built-in mahogany cabinets. The study rounds out the huge master wing. One of my favorite features of this room are the huge windows overlooking the grounds. But let me take you outside. Let's take a closer look. Situated on 10 immaculately maintained acres, the grounds of this estate are simply remarkable. Out back is an entertainer's dream. A gunite pool with a flagstone border, a cabana with multiple televisions and air conditioning, and a 2,200 square foot guest house, making this place perfect for entertaining on a grand scale. There's a fully stocked lake with a fountain, gazebo, and even a fishing pier. I hope you've enjoyed our tour today. It's always a pleasure to show this magnificent home. This home embodies all things Southern: charm, grace, a high quality of life. I'm so grateful to have had the chance to walk through the home with you. I hope that you've enjoyed visiting.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?